Okay, this is a room tour of Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas, stateroom 6519. This is an interior room. We'll show you guys around. That is my assistant, Shug, over there. Say hi, Shug. So walking in, you've got your deck plan here. Your assembly station is A2. You've got your light switch here that turns all the lights on for the entire cabin. Got your light switch over here that turns on for the restroom. Look at our storage. We've got a safe with some wire racks. You've got your life vests, and you've got some hangers here and a couple of pull down racks. That's going to be it for your closet storage. Got your bathroom here, restroom. Got your shower, no shower curtain. It's got the doors on it, which is just beautiful. We can't stand the shower curtain. You've got your body wash, shampoo, your normal towels. This will be the storage right here to put your miscellaneous items, razors, makeup, what have you. They also give you these, which I haven't seen. I've only seen these on suites, so that's interesting. Your lotion, shampoo, body wash, conditioner. A couple of drinking glasses there. Trash underneath. Well, that's all the storage that's in the bathroom. Come out of there. And you've got your desk area here. You've got your thermostat up there. You've got 2 US outlets, and you've got 1 European outlet. What else we got, Shug?
Alrighty, so we also have hair dryer. You have lots of drawer space. You got like 2 more there. You have 3 drawers over here. And then you also have your refrigerator / cooler right there.
Okay. No shelves in there. It's interesting.
Yes.
All right,
And
got
you
your
also
TV.
have the TV, and then you have some more storage space behind the mirrors on each side.
Okay. Anybody watching this, do you guys use these storage behind or next to the mirrors? We've never used them. Don't know what I would use it for, but put it in the comments below if you use it and tell us what you put there.
Okay, then over here you have your sofa. We have the 4 bottles of complimentary water because we're Diamond members. Nice little table to sit and eat if you like.
All right. Got your bed over here with a couple of nightstands. Your telephone. That telephone does not have a USB port for charging. You got your 2 lamps with reading lights. And then I'll show you what the room looks like from the other side. All right, that is what the room looks like from the other side. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. We would really appreciate it. And we will see you on our next adventure.